All right, here we are at 210 East Kaley Street, Orlando, Florida, 32806. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,798 square foot home built in 1925. It's got a nice metal roof on top of that. Once we get inside, you'll see how awesome it is. So you've got Orange Avenue straight ahead right here. And again, 1925 built home. Very mature landscaping. The yard itself in the lot is 0.23 of an acre. So it's actually a very large lot for downtown. Obviously a historic build. Nice wood burning fireplace. It is built on a crawl space as well. Really cool porch, which we'll get back to. Nice, large, mature oak tree. Not a lot of it hanging over the house, but you do have the upper branches up here. Obviously, a little drive coming through. You've got your first carport right here on the exterior. And then you've got this expanded garage over here, which is really nice. You've also got a secondary carport over here. But again, very large back workbench, as you can see as I come in. A lot of storage. That's actually a door that goes outside that's not functioning. But you can see that they did redo the drywall on this portion. Obviously didn't finish off the back. But nice space. Do have a irrigation system here as well. Go ahead and hit that close. But again, nice large lot as I was talking about. Plenty of room over here for planting. Additional storage, lots of space. But you can see the mature landscaping, which is also great. We are close to downtown, obviously, so our amazing medical centers and everything are here as well. Nice wood siding, everything looks really good. Obviously, 1925 home, you're gonna have some wood rot, etc. on the outside. You can see there's the exterior crawl space. Really nice brick all the way around. And again, you just don't see these in modern builds anymore. That's why I love the charm. Downtown Orlando. East Kaley, very close to Boone High School. This is zoned for Blankner K through 8, which is a great school, as well as Boone High School, which is another very good school. Really beautiful porch right here on the front. As we walk in. And again, I have to assume these are the original pine floors to the house that have been refinished. Amazing wood fireplace, crown molding. Just really well done. These are the original windows to the home. As you can see. And again, someone that does own these are the ballasts, the old rope ballasts that you can see. I do have a home that's a lot like this. As you can tell, like these things just, after time, obviously, they start to break down. But they got so much charm to the home, and you can see, obviously, these both have their ballasts and everything on them. So as we transition, as I show you the windows, you've got this nice living, dining space right here off the main bed, off the main living room coming in this way. All the doors have that really nice trim. So then I'm going to keep going forward. The carport we showed out there is directly to the right. Transition into this tile flooring here in the kitchen. As you can see, they've updated the kitchen. Quartz countertops. You got this nice bar top right here. Gas, which is great. Again, they got a little kiddo here. So they do have some of that kid safety stuff in there, but these are all wood cabinets. Nice subway style backsplash. Double metal sink. Looking outside to the carport. Stainless steel. And as we walk through the kitchen right here, I'm gonna take us back to the front door. Again, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,798 square foot. So back to the front door. Living space. We're gonna go left right into here. Again, just to get back to where the dining room. So right here, we've got under the closet, you've got your water heater. That does obviously look like copper plumbing. I don't know where it all runs, but that is okay. It fits for what you need. Obviously, copper is more expensive than the other stuff. In this amazing flooring, continuing everywhere. So downstairs, you've got 3 beds and 1 bathroom. Upstairs, you've got the loft and another bathroom. So I'm gonna go and say this is our primary bedroom. And no popcorn anywhere, updated features, ceiling fans, excuse me, not features. But again, pretty decently sized space, which is great. 1925 home, you're gonna have limited closet space. They're using about as much of the closet space as you can. It does come back pretty thick, pretty deep, excuse me, not thick. So you do have some space, which is nice. Nice little window in there. Come back out of bedroom number 1. Again, this is probably original storage from the house when they first purchased it, and they kept kind of some features. This, I don't want to open it, but that does go deep back there. Nice linen closet. And you do have the standard drawers, things like that. All right, bathroom number 1. Completely remodeled. Nice large mirror, so it really makes the room feel bigger. But this is your main bathroom for the downstairs. It's nice that they did the oversized tub as well. And then tile all the way around. Bedroom number 2. They're obviously using this as a playroom right now. There is no door in between here. So, you can count this as a bedroom. You can count the upstairs as a bedroom, but this looks to be used as a flex space right now. Obviously, it has a closet right here. Again, nice storage built in. They're using it as a playroom. Then we head into the 3rd bedroom, higher on the first floor. Again, pretty standard closet, just like the other one. This one not as deep as the last one, but does have that cool window. Beautiful floors. This one looks out to the backyard as well as the side. And we're gonna go to the left. So here we are back in the kitchen. Additional pantry space. Again, 1925 home. This is very abnormal. You don't see this very often. So again, we're here in the kitchen. You've got your additional pantry, not to mention the other storage on the other side, as well as the washer dryer. So here we're gonna go upstairs. Stairs are a little steep, but again, very manageable. Obviously, young kids or the elderly, just gotta be safe with this. All tile floors up to the loft area. I'm 6'2", so that's probably, 3.5, 4 feet right there. They've got it as a hammock and a TV, just kind of a, you can make that like a little reading nook. If I turn to the right, full sink, shower, double head, tub. You got the toilet, and then some more additional storage right there. Loft space they're currently using as an office. You could easily make that a bedroom if you wanted to. Again, more storage. Back this way, and there's your attic crawl space. And honestly, not hot at all. It's only 11 o'clock here Eastern, but pretty nice. And it is a nice storage area in there. So again, over here to the other side. Again, 6'2", plenty of space for me standing in here. Easy office space. You could even put a bed in here. I think that would be fine as well. But again, obviously it has the roof slopes down. You get limited space. But very cool in here, not hot at all. Let me head back downstairs.